Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and welcome to the Asia session sponsored by My Funded Futures. How is everybody? What a beautiful bull. Look at this NASDAQ, 29,600. Can you believe it? Look at this Cisco, up $22 after hours. How is everybody tonight? How is everybody tonight? We'll just wait till a couple more people get on board here. Look at this Cisco. Oh my God. Whew. Unbelievable. AMD is trading down $2. Intel's trading down here. Nice to meet everybody tonight here. Anybody new here tonight? Who's this? Sanaduna. Nice to meet you. What's up, everybody? Look at this NASDAQ. Everybody say hello to Raphael, and another amazing day here with Raphael. Another amazing day. An amazing day here today. Get in there, Raphael. See? They know the terminal. So this is a beautiful, this is a great pattern here before we started the night here. You can see the 5-minute time frame right here. The 5-minute correlating with the 15, 30, and 60. A nice little pullback here on the 3. And then you got this nice little pullback here on the 5. I mean, come on, man. Really, look at this weekly. Look at this weekly. I'm just looking for a pullback right to here. 7,000. If we get that. 480 points. Right? Get in there, Baba. How you feeling, Artan? You feeling good, brother? What a run. Unbelievable. You ain't kidding. What a run. What a run. You ain't kidding. Wow. Yes, sir. Hope everybody had a great day today. Good, Artan. That's awesome. That's great. Hope everybody had a great day here. See what's going to happen here. All right. Gold's, let's see what's going on with the gold. Very quiet on the gold. Yes, sir. As I sat down here at 945, 950, S&Ps ran 2. This NASDAQ just ran 30. Let's leave the NASDAQ up, because can you ever believe if you see the NASDAQ 29,600? Is this insane? I mean, just get the 30,000 over with already, you know? And we're off at Belmont. Okay. All right. Again, Cisco really pumping up the NASDAQ after hours here. Okay. Nice little bear flag. Nice bull flag here. 96. We had this one pullback today on the 15-minute time frame. Really nice pattern right here at the end of the day. Where was it? This was what time? Right here. We got this. This is what's. Can I tell you? This is what saved me here. I was short, and this drop saved me. Oof! Did it save me? Oof! Unbelievable. Let's see. Yes, sir. And the market does not care about PPI up 0.6 greater, hotter than expected. Market doesn't care. The 10-year bond at 4.5. The market doesn't care. The 30-year bonds. That's why I went and I had a drink tonight. Me and Pac-Man sent a picture. He had a cocktail. I had a cocktail. I should have had a couple more, but I had to come here tonight. But I couldn't take it. I can't take it. The market does not care. This is the pullback at the end of the day where the 15-minute time frame rallied about 80. This was right here. This was around the 3:15, 3 o'clock time period right here. And then the 15s, we're going to, it's right here, right? The market doesn't care. You know what the market says to me about being short? That's what the market... That's what the market's telling people who are short like me. I just short and short and short. Micron, SanDisk, all the crazy names. My armpits are on fire. You know what else the market says about being short? You know what the market says? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Oh my God. It doesn't matter. Yes, 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 yes. It doesn't matter. Wow. Unbelievable. Yes, 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 yes. It doesn't matter. You have no idea how much I was short up there. And then my firm said to me, you know, you're gonna have. I said, wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. They said to me, you're gonna have to close out the position. You never told me that. He said, yeah, because we have option expiration. We have gazillions on the book, and I don't know if we have enough room for it. I'm like, you should have told me that before I put the position on, right? And so when that drop happened, I went, oh, thank God. Thank you, God. When I saw 2.8 billion for sale on the bell, I said, thank you, God. Thank you. Thank you. Right? Unbelievable. You went negative 4,000? No, come on. Yeah, but come on, though. I mean, any person with a reasonable brain, you can't, I mean, listen, I'm not saying there wasn't great patterns, okay? There was a great pattern in NVIDIA today that prompted the market right here. Look at this beautiful bull flag on NVIDIA. You want to see Tesla bull flag? Yes, there were longs, I'm not going to lie. Beautiful bull flag on Tesla on the 15 right here. We caught this, boom, ran about 6. You look at Micron on the 15-minute time frame. Oil, kaboom! What happened? Right here's oil on the 15. Micron on the 15. Right here, you can see 85. Boom! What happened to oil? And oil. Oh, that's another one. So the market doesn't care about 10-year bonds, Artan. Market doesn't care about 30-year bonds. Oil, kaboom! Market doesn't care about oil. Market doesn't care about the deficit. Market doesn't care. What else doesn't it care about? There's one more. 10-year, 30-year. Oh, inflation. Okay. It doesn't care. It doesn't matter. Right? Oh, you make 4,000? Good job. Unbelievable. Yes, sir. Google today. You want to see some great longs in Google? Oh my God. Google, when you see Google rising like this here, and this ADX is rising, this is what a pullback right here. Is this the pullback right here? No, this is the one I got right here. This is the long, and look at this beautiful bull flag right here below 94. I blinked. It was 96 and a half. A lot of wealth managers. All right, good for them. Good for them. All right, let's see if this NASDAQ can get... I just took my eye off it, and of course it rallies 20. I can't take my eyes off the NASDAQ. Yesterday, I think it was a world record during this whole run-up. I think I called like 19 longs on the lows. People were having a heart attack. People were actually like, are you okay, SK? You calling longs? I said, Artan got long. A lot of people got... I said, down 700. Are you crazy? These people were coming for him. Right? Are you crazy? Unbelievable. So make sure you guys sign. Oh, geez, just ran 25. Up 1,000 in 24 hours. Yep. I want to say hi to my neighbor, Vil Marie. How are you? Over there. Crazy person. I love her to death. All right. Yes. Hey, Steven. I've actually been leaving the NASDAQ chart up a lot. But you know what kills me is that 6 weeks ago, Micron was trading 311, Sanders 517, okay, S&P 6350, right? And it's just unbelievable. Oh, they're gonna rally here. These 15s, look at these 15s. Oh my God. All I know is when there was 2.8 billion for sale and the S&Ps got cabooshed in the final 30 minutes. Whew, especially they said, we got to, and like, don't worry about, if there's a loss or anything. I'm like, well, that's not cool. I mean, like, the earnings details change the narrative. Listen, the way they do earnings is completely fugazi. Fugazi, period. Fugazi. Fugazi. I'm not going to get into it, but it's fugazi. But it's okay. The Bears will have its time. The Bears, not now, but the Bears will have their time. And oh boy, it may be a year, but it's coming. I hope I'm around for it. Anyway, so what do you think of these t-shirts here? All right, what do you think of these t-shirts? I'll make it a little bigger. Pac-Man made these t-shirts up. I got a kaboom and a kabooshed. You see SK Trading, the My Funded Futures logo, the American flag, of course. Okay, we're going to hopefully be giving a couple out each night here on these. Look at that, kabooshed. Now in the back is going to be completely something that we're working on now. So hopefully you guys will like that. Okay, and if we do this event in Vegas, it should be really, really great. I'll tell you that right now. All right. All right. NASDAQ just ran 30. you can't even blink. Look at this NASDAQ. I just took my eye off it for 1 second. It rallies 30, Arton. You want one of those? Aren't they cool shirts? And wait till you see the kaboom ones. Oof, the kaboom ones. Yep, the kaboom ones are great. I got to tell you, the kaboom ones are really great. All right, this gold's going to get a turn up here. 98 just ran 4. Of course you're going to get one, Bob. What? Of course. I'm going to get you kaboom and a kaboom. And I got Christmas ornaments, Baba. Wait till you see the Christmas ornaments. You're going to hang them in your new home when I come out to California. It's going to be awesome. I love it. Kaboom and kabooshed. Yes, sir. You're going to get one, Baba. Don't worry. All right. Very quiet here. Very quiet. Teachable. Good job, Teachable. Oh, wow. Well, there's a lot of people who have called me over the last couple weeks, and I'm just going to show you, if you guys ever trade currencies, especially people who work at night, this is a beautiful bull flag here on the pound dollar. Okay, same methodology, right? Using the 15, 30, and 60-minute time frame. This was one of my favorite when I used to trade the currency markets at night. You can see the 30-minute beautiful MACD positive, 80x off, no real buying pressure. And and then look at the 60-minute time frame. Oh, 60 is negative here, so you're in a buy disconnect. If the 60-minute time frame right here closes above this 135.30, say 32, okay, what is it? 135.32. We're at 26.27 now. You're going to get a buy reversal. You get into a positive trend. So this, what the sequence would be, you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute, then the second pullback on the 15. But a lot of people have contacted me because they say, you know, at night I could do the Asian session, and I'm long now. 15 moves my stop loss to 15-minute candle. Tina, did Tina say candle? Oh my God. Official Kepler, how are you? Official Kepler. All right. All right. Yes. Iceman, absolutely. Just tell me where to ship them to. Thanks to Pac-Man. He also made a Kaboom one. I don't have the Kaboom one yet, but hopefully we'll have these all made and send them out to send them out a couple of nights, So this is a really, so like here, if you bought the pound $1.25, you're making 3 pips, nothing exciting really. The pound really and the euro really get going during the European session. I used to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning. I bought a mattress for my office, and I would just go and getting away from candles has helped you tremendously. That's a t-shirt, Pac-Man, right there. That's a t-shirt. Oh, look at them go. 40 handles up. Why am I talking? Just, oh my God. Gold just ran 6. S&Ps ran 5. NASDAQ ran 40. Stop talking. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the pound US dollar. Okay? Unbelievable. NASDAQ never goes down. And if you just look at the bigger time frames, the weeklies, 3,000 points above this 10 bar. This is the highest it's probably ever been, right here. 3,000 points on the weekly, right here. So, and you're reaching probably staggering overbought conditions here. You can see, wouldn't that be nice to get a 3,200 point drop? That'll bring you down to 26.4, at least half the move up, 50% retracement. Be an active, look at this, 5,000 points above the 10 bar on the monthly. Never that much above the 10 bar, ever. EVA. The daily, you're talking 1,500. Standard deviation is roughly about 90 to 100, maybe 150 tops. Okay? Never seen it 1,500. So this is why I can't say the word buy. I understand things go up, you can trade them, this and that. The game's rigged, D-Hall. D-Hall, you got your account last night, D-Hall, this morning, D-Hall? Right? I called it short in oil. I said, look to short that oil, 103.24, or whatever the hell it was, and oil got absolutely kabooshed. All right? It's the easiest trade in the world to short every rally in oil, for Christ's sake, right? Like even here now. I mean, the USOs, if they, and it's, I also look at the USOs, right? It's 1994, 95 again. Not like this, though. Not like this. Jesus, that gold just ran 9. Oh, my God.
I didn't get.
What, on the long?
Yeah.
Where?
I was trying.
47 on the gold?
Yeah, when it pulled back.
Just. Excuse me. Oh my God. NASDAQ just ran 50 like nothing. That's the thing. You know, if you look down, right, like I did, and the NASDAQ printed, S&P's printed 76, and this ran 6, the NASDAQ printed 90. And I saw the 15s wanting to turn up here. All right. NASDAQ. If this NASDAQ gets up to the 58 to like 88, 98, I take the scalp short on the NASDAQ. If it can get some type of a drop here. Excuse me. Thank you. Everybody, welcome. Watch Tosh. Wants Tosh. Am I saying it right? Look at this 60 handles. I'm good. I'm good, Daddy. Look at the net. Look at everybody. Buy. Where's the bull? Just buy. Just buy everything. Just buy. Ian, what's up, Ian? Uncle Steve says hello, Ian. Buy everything, gold, everything. Just buy. They're buying, then sell. Remember that from Caddyshack? The NASDAQ hit 58. Nope, 57.5. Of course, missed it by 0.5%. That's the type of day I had today. Missing things. That NASDAQ is insane. And look at Andrew. Andrew's going crazy on the NASDAQ. Unbelievable. Let's see here. You could take a 1, 2, 3. You could take a scalp short on gold, 1180 up to 1880, 1980. Okay. What's the matter? My boo-boo. Okay? Daddy loves you. Unbelievable. NASDAQ missed it by 0.5%, just dropped 16, 17. Ian said green's enough. I agree with Ian. Ian, Uncle Steve says hello. Unbelievable. Was the US dollar? Kaboom! Let's see here. AUD, USD. I'm so mad at myself. Aussie US dollar 15, not looking good here. I hate this is the one currency I used to hate to trade. Never moved. If it moved 4 pips in a day, I would just 60 okay, 30. Not really a fan of. I don't know. I guess you could buy pullbacks up to 30. Unbelievable! Look at the gold drop. S&Ps, NASDAQ.
Yeah, I'm out.
What? Oh my God, NASDAQ. Ian, sell. Ian, say after Uncle Steve, right? Oh my God. What a short. Had the highs there. Wow. Gold just got caboose. Just dropped 5. If you got short the gold?
Yeah, I did.
Good job. Good job. What's that? Yes, I worked 10 years on everything. What's that? I would just cover it. What are you, crazy? Are you crazy? I thought, Stewie, I thought you were a raging bear today. Now you're a bull. I can't keep up. Bear, bull. Oh my God. I can't take it. NASDAQ just dropped 20, Arton. You see that? This game's so rigged. Beyond rigged. But it's okay. It's okay. Short-term bullish. How about this? I am short-term bearish, long-term bullish. The opposite. Right? Short-term. That was a nice little drop there. Can't buy him up here. But you can't. No, he's not coming back losing. No way in hell. There's no way in hell he's coming back losing. No way. Not happening. He's not doing that. That's for sure. He's not doing that. Bear Trader, what's up, Bear Trader? I pushed today. Small. It was a tough one. Yeah, it's okay. You have those days like that. It's okay. Didn't get slaughtered. Could have gotten, but I got a reprieve. Had some nice trades in Tesla, Micron. What else? SanDisk. You know, you trade AMD. You trade these Alamo stocks. It's no joke. I'm telling you. You're trading SanDisk. The stock's moving. You know what the spread on SanDisk is? Sometimes $2-3 on the spread. You know? How about this morning? SanDisk was trading 1560. No, I'm sorry, 1530, up 65. Micron was trading 819. PPI comes out, kabooshed. Right? Yeah, this happens. It's okay. We're running out of money. Right. How'd you lose in crude today? It was the easiest short above 103. I'm just saying. What? I can't read that. Are you crazy? I can't read that. This NASDAQ gets back up to the 59 to 79, 89.99. I'd short the NASDAQ up there. Crude, what a short on the crude. Just dropped. Crude just got up to 28. Anybody trade? A lot of people trading crude here anymore? I'm looking to see if, like, you to get the push up into the negative MACDs or the pullbacks into the positive MACDs. What happened? I pray to all energies in the universe. Vibration SK, AK. You can just you can give me a call if you have a problem. Very quiet. All right. Man, oh man, it's quiet. Oh, let's see here. Died. Silver. Unbelievable. Silver came out of nowhere. Did silver hit 80 today? I think silver hit 80. What's up? Giveaway hunters? There's giveaways. Let's see here. Tonight we'll have 10 giveaways at 9:50. So please sign up. Make sure you sign up, okay? No, you made 130. That's good, Cobop. How do you sign up? When Denny posts it, you'll be able to see it. There you go. There goes the NASDAQ. Buy, buy, buy. Where's the bull? Buy everything. Buy. Just buy. Just keep buying. Just buy, buy, buy. Just buy. Just keep buying. Oh, thank God I covered that short. What a move. I can't believe that low, 29,590 the minute we walked in. Literally rallied 80 handles off that. Unbelievable. Blow off top. Unbelievable. Yeah. I know the S&P's just rallied 10. S&P is valuing 10 in the Asia session is huge, right? Buy high, sell higher. You're right. They're crazy. I got to tell you seriously, and I'm being truthful. I talked to some really big hedge fund managers. They've never seen this. They've never seen this. They've never seen this. I look to cover the shorts here between 48 and 63 if you're short here. Now, they've never seen this before. No, they've never seen anything like this. Yeah, Rick, I'm gonna be hopefully Rick, actually text me, okay? And I'll call you after the close or after here. Rick. Get some type of S&P's just dropped, gold dropping here. Gold really is in a sell disconnect right now on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. I like to see, I can't believe 90 handles, boom, right up. Short the devil, and then, yep, 666. Oh my God. You ain't kidding. You ain't kidding, Mikey Jacques. You ain't kidding, my brother. This gold, that was some short there, 1180. You're in a negative sell disconnect on the 30 and 60-minute time frames on gold. Oil right back up. Look at this oil. Baboosh gold. Gold just dropped 12. Here comes the NASDAQ. Come on. You could do it. You can come in a little bit. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can come in a little bit. It's okay. What'd you do on oil? Oil was nothing but a short above 103 today. All I know is when I saw oil up at 103, I said, let them have them. Right? Let them have them. Right, Lee? The Cisco is going to be a wild stock tomorrow. Oh my God. Google's up $1 after hours. Can you believe they were down 700 yesterday? They knew Papa Trump said, buy everything. Jensen's getting on a plane. Boom. Buy everything, buy everything, buy everything. Then at Asia session, Jensen's getting on a plane to China. Frink! Right? So in 2020, I was on Stuart Varney, and the president tweeted me out. And then he used me in the Pennsylvania rally that night. I have all the recordings. This is the only president that you'll ever see in your entire life, whatever life that we have left. I hope it's a long one, but you'll never see a president watch every tick in the stock market, S&Ps like this. Never. NVIDIA's earnings should be pretty fun. So 5 people told me they're going to beat, but it's already in. They'll probably rally and then get killed. I say, I don't know. I don't know anything. I don't know. I'm not going to guess. All I know is this company started the whole AI nonsense. So if you take these Mag 7 and then you take like Seagate, SanDisk, Micron, Light, and a couple other ones, right? Oh, yeah, exactly. So if you take the Mag 7 and then all these other names on the chips names, you're not talking new highs here. You're lucky you'd be at 5,300, 60, 6,800, 6,600 on the S&Ps. If you really think of it, though, it's only a certain amount of stocks if you look at the weight. Well, the reason why the market thought it was a big deal, Stu, is because they think because of the heritage and him going and everything, that eventually it's going to be something where it's going to be potential very big for maybe a deal like Boeing's going. My friends are all along Boeing. Okay, and what's Boeing doing? Okay, what's Boeing doing? Up 6. Okay, they were long it last week when they heard that he was going to China. Okay, so here they were long here. Boom, right on the gap. Okay, and they're still long. Okay, now it's up another what, 3? So okay, so if the guy gets on a plane going to China, don't you think he's going to get a big order for planes? Okay, you know what I'm saying? You made 16,000. Good job, Iceman. Get in there. How'd you blow your account? What'd you do, Mudu? Okay? Giveaway? No, Denny didn't post the giveaways yet. No. SK, stop trying to predict the pullback and just wait till the market comes into the 50%. Go long NASDAQ. Oh, yeah. Oh, I agree. 50%? What? I love you to death, but what's going to make the NASDAQ drop 50%? Only thing that happens if China goes into Taiwan. That's it. Like what in God's creation, other than maybe you get a 90-93 RSI on the weekly. Right now you're at or daily. I think you're a 70, 80, 84 or 83 or a 76 on the weekly. That's the only thing. Okay, there's the link. Let's go. Sign up. Let's go. Get in there, everybody. Sign up for the raffle. I know Taiwan's near China, right? Can you believe it? So I have to say, while I have a couple of minutes here, Raphael, right? Raphael trades from our chat here, right? He's been how long have you been here? About 8 months in the chat. 8 months. And we went out to dinner tonight, and very proud of him. 3 consecutive days, all green on all 6 accounts.
Yeah,
6 accounts. Okay, and I just want to say that one of the things that we talked about at dinner was focus, right? And he said to me, when I'm with you, SK, in the room, man, am I focused? Well, that's what, because I'm like laser focused, and he's following the footsteps, right? So he is telling me that, you know, to be that focused, okay, is something that is, um, something he's never really been used to. I mean, he was in here, you know, complaining he hasn't passed in the account, he hasn't been consistent, you name it. And then finally I said, Raphael, just give me a call, right? And he decided to call me and come here and spend a week with me and everything. And kudos to him, and I got to tell you, he could be one of the great ones. I'm not just saying this. I mean, he drives me crazy on a couple of silly things, but I love him to death, right? But he could be one of the great ones, because I turn around many times during the day and he doesn't even notice, and he's lasered in. And I have to tell you that I can't tell you how proud I am of him, really. And to be that laser focused, and to be consecutive 3 days in a row like this, and God willing to get a payout hopefully in the next 3 or 4 days. But he really is a great young man, determined, wants to really change his life, listens, and he asks questions. Listen, sometimes I'm psychotic, I can get hard on him, you know. Um, but in the end, it's tough love, and I just want to say kudos to him, really. I'm beyond proud of what he's accomplished here. Oh, look at this. Every time I start talking, I wanted to buy the gold on the 5-minute triple Lindy. It just rallied $5. These speeches have got to stop. But anyway, you need, really, kudos to him, really. I never met him in my entire life. I met him in the chat, and he was complaining. I just couldn't take it no more, right? And I finally said, just give me a call, and that's the end of it. But no, but seriously, he that's so we talked at dinner time tonight about being laser focused, right? And I think that that's what a lot of people lack, the focus. And also the way people have now changed and altered their way of trading. Meaning, for example, when you're trading a prop account, I trade a cash account, right? Big account. So I'm not into being able to rotate accounts. But in the prop world, there are more rules than anything I've ever seen in my entire. Look at this gold, right? There are more rules than I didn't even know what to think. And thank you. And seriously, you gotta know, you gotta be like Einstein to figure out all these rules. Like, he's explaining them a lot of times to me during the day, and I'm like, this is crazy. Look at this gold. I'm telling a story about you. I just look at that beautiful triple Lindy. So anyway, kudos to him. But also, it's you know what? You got to trade the 1 minute time frame, I think, on the NASDAQ. Let me just look at the NASDAQ on the 1 minute. Yeah, because it just goes up and up and up and up and up. Maybe you can catch here. Here's a 1 minute bull flag. Just ran 20. Okay, so let me just leave the 1 minute up. So, and again, the ADXs are rising here. So, but there's so many rules with these prop accounts. So a lot of people have said to me, do you have any ways, you can help me as far as learning your methodology, this and that, bada bing, bada boop, bada bop. And I says, yeah, why don't you do this? And he did it. He came in with one account. He made $1,200 to put him over the evaluation. He says, okay, SK, what do I do? I go, get another account. So on me, I bought him an account. Okay. He got it. And what was it, kind of like a rapid account type thing, a builder account. He got it funded like that in one day. Boom. Okay. It actually did it within like an hour and a half. I said, he goes, what do you want to do now? I go, get another one. Right. He buys another one. Does that one. So he did 1,200, 3,000, 3,000. He goes, what do I do now? I go, get another one. Right. And then he made, I think, 12 or 1,400 on that one. Okay. So make a long story short, he had 4 accounts. And then he goes, okay, what do I do now? I said, well, if you're going to trade, what you do is you rotate the accounts, right? You rotate the accounts. And so you just you make 300 to 500 here, you keep going, right back. Okay. Oh, look at this drop on the 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute might be this. Oh my God, they just got kabooshed the minute I put the 1 minute up. Oh my God, our time. I love this 1 minute time frame. Oh my God. And I gotta say that it really made a difference to him, and it really, you want the 1 minute up? I love this 1 minute Pac-Man. This might be the new SK. Want the 1 minute? But I need like 3 guys next to me to put orders in. Then if I trade a 1 minute time frame, okay, yeah. I mean, rotate the accounts, correct? Okay, I think people, from what I've seen and heard, and I've been doing this a long time, that they trade and focus on one account and they get kabooshed. They get kabooshed. Why do that when you can have multiple accounts, right? You have multiple accounts, and that to me, really is this 1 minute's crazy. 75 back up. So anyway, I just thought that might have been a good way. I'm the 1 minute man. Yeah. Can't believe I missed that gold. Well, gold's still in that. Let's see if this gold can push up to 13, 14. How is gold up with these numbers? Right? Yeah, I mean rotate. No, I'm not talking, Tina. If this gold gets up to the 11 and a half, 12 and a half to like 19 and a half, I'd look to short it if it gets up there. Yeah, but no, that was a triple Lindy. A triple Lindy is a buy and a sell disconnect. The 15 and 30s were negative. I thought it might have been a nice little long off the 3 minute. So I think a lot of people put a lot of pressure on themselves trading one account all day long. I just say, you know what? Don't make it hard. Have 3, 4, 5 accounts. And then here's what I told Raphael, right? I told him this on Monday or Tuesday. When you have your 3, 4, 5 accounts, right? Gold should be 6,000 with this inflation. If you think of from where everything is, right? Hey, Lone Wolf, get in there, Lone Wolf. Have a safe trip. So a lot of people, what I tell people, and I told Raphael, is try to have 3, 4 accounts. Pass every single day, keep going, get a payout. After 22 business days, which is a month, right? And maybe another week or 2 after that, then you could do what Tina just said. You buy 5 accounts, you link them. You buy another 5 accounts, you link them. You keep these accounts as well, okay? Gold just got kaboot. Gold just dropped. I cancel it. But that's what I would do. That's just my feeling, net. That, having something like that is is really something that I feel, you know, that you can really make a difference. I think a lot of people put a lot of pressure on themselves in the process of all this, you know. So I just think that overall, it's something to, you know. But I think also what's important is you have to be able to feel, you know, you have to be comfortable in that. And I think by having multiple accounts, um, I think by having multiple accounts, it's very, very helpful for you. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Look at this NASDAQ. It drops. Look at it, 70. Give me a break. This thing's on a 1 minute. This thing's insane, Pac-Man. Right back up. Look at this. It drops and right back up. Nah, it's going to go lower. This was a beautiful bull flag right here. Oh my God. Oversold the rising ADX. right when we started here. Cisco. All right, here goes the NASDAQ. Whoa, NASDAQ just got down to 6. Whoa, what happened? I hope you guys covered your shorts down there. Whoa, Nelly Pac-Man, 59. That's what I'm saying. Who could speak that fast? Right? Right? I hope you guys covered your short down there. Trump's in China. We know he's in China. Right? You got to put your bids in ahead of time. That's another thing. Listen to me. You hear me? You see what just happened?
Yeah.
Okay? When you have positions on, I always leave bids in the market. I remember one time I was short like a ton of S&Ps, right? And next thing I know, I just threw bids in the market, and I don't know, like 12 minutes later, boom, boom, down, up. I'm like, what happened? Or all I know is you got filled on everything. I'm like, what? I'm like, that was awesome. So, just try to get into the habit. You see what happened? 59 to 79?
Yeah.
You can't speak that fast.
Not at all.
No. Right. So basically you put bid, if you're short, you just put bids in. Right?
Yeah.
It doesn't hurt you to throw a bid in. They're not charging you. Right? My Henry's exhausted.
Yeah,
He's out, my boy. You had a good day, Daddy. All right, my boy.
Yeah.
He's shot. Look at that. Look at that. Down and then new highs. Christopher Pac-Man, did you just see that? 59 to 85. Just buy everything. Where's the bull? There's the bull. There's the bull. I hope you guys all signed up. Bear Trader, I hope you signed up. Everybody signed up for the free raffle. Doing 10 tonight. I hope you guys understand how volatile this, when listen to me, right? A NASDAQ 23,000 is going to trade a lot differently than a NASDAQ 29,000, okay? You're going to see the higher they go, the more vicious the moves can be to the downside, okay? There's a link that was just posted by Denny, so scroll up and you'll see the link. You got a couple more minutes here. I agree. Where do you see the VIX setting up? So NASDAQ at 680, okay, I think you'll be okay. It just traded down to 659. Why don't you cover? Zero trader. Whoever sold At 29,590 when we walked in, he jumped. He jumped. He jumped. Cleaning my glasses here. Ay, ay, ay. There is no code. Right, if you put the orders in the DOM, I agree. NVIDIA holds the world by the hand. You can't do, it's just absolutely insane. And gold's turning up here. Gold gets up to the 1380 to like 2180. I'd take a scalp short on the gold. Look at this NASDAQ new highs. If this NASDAQ gets up to 88 to like 18, I would take a short here. I think he's going to win the midterms. Then what? After midterms, we drop. They're not going to crash into the fourth quarter. No way, Stewie. No way. They're not going to crash into the midterms. What happens if he wins? I think he's going to win the midterms. Boom! Let go. Look at them go.
Got it.
You got the short?
Yes, sir, and I'm out.
Good job.
That was a quick.
See,
I had the bid up.
Look, see, I looked at the 1 minute time frame right here. Look, the MACDs did not confirm. What did gold just get up to? Okay. That's a lot of green. 2 minute time frame. Oh my God, what a drop. Gold, look to cover gold below 11.5 if you're short. See that, Pac-Man? I used the 1 minute time frame for the first time. See that? I saw the new high, the MACD non-confirming. I may leave I can't even talk. The 1 minute up forever. I'm only kidding. Do you see that? I'm looking at Lauren. I used the 1 minute time frame. Oh my God. Forget about spoofing on a Dom. You want to look at gold on the daily? I hope you guys covered your short. Just dropped 25 on the. You want to look at gold on the daily? Sure, I'll look at gold on the daily for you. I think this time the poly markets are going to be wrong. There's no way anybody can think the Democrats are going to win. Nobody. The country will be completely ruined. Well, this was the low here. Better to look at the weekly on it though. Still not great. Negative MACDs here. A lot of overhead resistance here. I don't believe the poly market on this one. I think gold, if you can get gold anywhere between the I don't think gold breaks 4,000, 40, 50, 4,100, 4,000. I don't know. I'm bullish on gold, but not at these levels. You don't believe what? The poly market? I don't agree with that either. Anybody get that short on the NASDAQ there? Raffle's officially closed. First of all, if he cuts rates, okay, it's criminal. It's absolutely criminal if he does that. Inflation, he's just pampering the president then at that point. I don't see this guy cutting rate. Look at the gold drop. See the sell divergence on there? NASDAQ hit 63, we dropped 30. Oh my God, look at this gold. Anybody short gold? Look at oil. I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame. I love it. You can short this oil 40 up to like probably 0210. What a cabooshin on gold. Yeah, if gold, but I don't, that's another thing. I don't think, we have, what a drop. Not just that, open borders and everything. Who wants that? Please. Wow, what a drop in gold. You short?
Yeah, fine.
There you go. All right. That's
Asia, yeah.
What, it's not Asia, it's the pattern.
Yeah.
Got the short AJ. What a drop. Wow. What a short. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the gold drop. My God, gold's getting slaughtered. My God, gold's getting slaughtered. What happened? Wow, my God. Something came out. Oh, gold where? 46.90. I say gold 40. Oh, you bought gold there? Okay. We were short above. Not really, but you just be disciplined on those. I mean, not really. Trading's trading. It's an art, right? If this gold gets down, I don't even know if this gold's gonna. Look at the NASDAQ, still hovering up here. This is insane. Oh, good Lord. Holy moly. Gold just rallied. Mm-mm. Who got the long on the gold down there? Who got the long on the gold? Oh, crude just got killed. Oh my God. Anybody get short the crude up here above 40? Oh my God, this crude. You guys sell every rally on crude. You gotta sell every rally on crude. I know, oil cabooshed. Did gold hit 90? Gold hit 90 down here? No, 93 is the low. Who said gold got bought 90? CPI this morning? No, it was PPI. I say gold for the low is 43.90. You bought gold at 97? I'd be careful with this negative MACD here. I don't know. I don't know. It's not that though. It's not those two people. It's you got to worry about the midterms, right? Got to worry about the midterms. Right, let's see if this NASDAQ can start rolling over here. NASDAQ's 30 off the highs. Gold's going to make new lows here, looks like. Ten-year can go to 470. Can you imagine if the 10-year goes to 470? Market go to all-time highs. Frank. Hey, Frank, how are you? Good job. Well, if you look at, yeah. Historic. Everything's historic. What happened? I hope you were short gold. Hey, Anna Trading. How are you, Anna? Never traded Fibonacci. Though my good friend in Vegas is Carolyn Broden, as you know her, called the Fibonacci Queen. Looking for what 97.5 tomorrow? Oil? NASDAQ 100? I don't understand what you're asking me there. NASDAQ ran 100 off the lows. So, yeah, 100 since we got here. Gold right back up. Yeah, it's just called the biggest bull run I've ever seen. I would probably cover some here, believe it or not. And I would lower your stop, serial trader. I don't know if you're going to get 52. You might, but the ADXs are rising and the 5s are getting oversold. So I'd be really careful. I don't do the trading here, and I do it during the day. I explain that. Okay, I don't do it here. I do it at night during the day, and I do enough of it during the day. Jennifer made 5%. Good job. Great job, Jennifer. Zero trader. I probably would cover half here. S&P's dropped 5 off the high. NASDAQ dropped 30 off the high. Great job, Jennifer. I don't even have a ladder in front of me. I have people who execute for me. What about the NASDAQ? What about it? I'm looking for the 15s to roll over. You never walk away, Vaughn. Never walk away. Why would you walk away? There's a lot of opportunities in the market. Why walk away? I never walked away. I've been through everything, right? There you go. Good job, Serial Trader. Out. So what? There's opportunities. What a short up there. What a short. I want to just say something. I'm not one of those guys that sit in front of a screen all day long and show you one screen and trade on a chart. That's not me. I've never done it my entire life. Okay. I've had people who executed for me. I traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life. All right. So I have people sitting next to me putting orders in for me. And one day I hope to have that back again. But right now I have people in New York who execute for me. So whether it's Broadcom, AMD, SanDisk, Micron, Spiders, Qs, gold, GLDs, gold, crude oil, futures, whatever, they execute the orders for me. All right. And they give me I keep an open line. I say, sell them here, buy this, short AMD, cover here, boom, 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 boom. That's what I do all day long. And you want me to do this at night? I'm not one of those internet guys. Okay. Just being honest. I bought them down there on the NASDAQ. You can get one more push up there. The NASDAQ. You want those guys? I'm not it. Just being honest with you. Man, 20. How'd that happen so fast? Good job, Serial Trader. I hope you got. Oh my God, come on. How do they rally 30 like that, Pac Man? That's insane. Here I'm talking to this gentleman. I can't believe it. And I said you're going to get one more push up. Ay, 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 ay. Stop talking. Hope somebody got the long. Zero Trader, hope you got the short. I just want to be clear, okay? I'm not, oh my God, 40 up. I want to put the 1 minute back up. It's beautiful. The 1 minute gave me this, oh my God. And right back down. I love this 1 minute. I might leave the 1 minute up from now on. I don't know, even during the New York session. Wow. What an unbelievable. The whole game's rigged. Zero Trader, I hope you covered your shorts, Baba. And of course, look at this. 40 up, 20 down. It's a casino. It's a casino. 40 up, 37 to 70, and then boom, 20 down. Wow. You got the long and the short. How fast can you be? It's a casino. Oh, Baba, if it trades down to 37, how do you not cover the rest? 80 down to, that's 40 handles. I was up 1,200 and in a split second lost it. How? I just said you guys should put bids in the market. When the markets are moving like this, if you're short, right, just put bids in. Every time I put a trade on, I have a bid out there. If I'm short. I was working your chart. I don't understand the question. I don't understand the question. That's like a trampoline. Boink. You got the long on the NASDAQ, Tyler. How do you lose an account? Kelly, you have to have bids and offers out there all the time. I can't tell you how many times, at least twice a day, I can be short Broadcom. Okay, I can be short Broadcom. Something happens, boom. I just put a bid in 80, 60, 80, 90 cents lower. Boom. Or, hey, by the way, you bought your Broadcom. What? What do you mean is that okay? Where, on the 1 minute? That pullback, I said to you, with the ADXs are rising, okay, on the 30 and 60, the oversold condition. That's why I said you're going to get one more push up. That's why I said the serial trader, I'd probably look to cover shorts. Get that long? Those two on the moon, on the NASDAQ.
Remember, I told you I don't.
Oh, you don't trade NASDAQ at night?
No.
Just what, gold?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Didn't know that. Here's a guy. I respect everybody, but here's a guy. I'm not going to mention where he is or who he is. He's saying back testing is what separates traders from gamblers. I could not disagree with this guy more. Back testing is absolutely, in my opinion, horrific. I did all my studies based upon forward testing and with real money to boot, live capital. Okay? Okay? Unbelievable. No way in hell. Okay? No, this guy, this is a joke. This totally disagree. Sorry. I've been doing this for 44 years. No way. No way. 44 years in the game. I gotta save this. I actually own a piece of technology, right, with other people, okay, and I actually have a patent on it. And it's where you can build and write strategies without using any lines of code. I don't think you're gonna get another pullback here. That 30, whoever sold 37s is a moron, right? So I own a piece of technology where you could build and write strategies without using any lines of code, and you could drop and drag, and and my guys are working on this thing, and it was I'm like, back testing is a joke. I used to stare at these guys and say, well, you got a bad tick. You got a bad tick on the spiders. Now what? What do you do now? Where's your performance? You got stopped out based upon the bad tick. Uh-oh. Boom! So what do you do then when you got a bad tick? Okay? So I've seen it all. I've done it all. I've sat with I known some of the best quants in the world. I sat with the top best traders in the world, guys worth billions, tens of billions. Okay, gold short, no, a little higher. So my point being is that back testing to me is just like, you know, I just think that when you have the back testing capabilities, you should. I remember forward testing. I know, Oliver. I don't know what the hell the Messiah of Dow Jones means, but you'll get 5 million in the bank, Falco. I mean, First Major, Tom. Why not? S&Ps just ran 3. NASDAQ 37 to 80. See, look here. Look what Ryan wrote. Back testing is just for testing a concept, but the only way to test a strategy is live future testing because you need the unpredictableness to test your reaction. Hope that makes sense. It does, but I'm exhausted and I messed up the whole word. No, I never met Tom Hogard. I sat at my computer trading real capital, my own and with someone else, big prop firm, and he did practically every trade with me. Okay? You're long serial trader, or you're short. You got to trade at 880. It went from 37 to 82. How could you? Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to the live stream, you could please text me your full name and email, okay, to 914-500-7484. I sent out about 25 or 30 last night. I don't even know. I was up till 2 o'clock in the morning. If you guys want a 5-day free trial, $81. I like this 1 minute time frame. Come on, pull in here so you can buy everything. I think back testing is a joke. Hey, Debo. Debo, if you like to call me, you can give me a call. Debo, First Major Tom, Falco, anybody new, you could text me 914-500-7484. I'll call you after the stream here. Good job, Jennifer. Oh my God, I missed that short up there. On that bear, 81. Come on. Fives are gonna go down. Come on, come down another 30 points, and then you can buy them off the 15s. Hey, Miss K. How are you? Did you get a link first, Major Tom? Just text me your full name and email. Oh my God, what a short that was up there. Let's see if they can get down to the 40 handle. If they get down to the 10 to 40 range, I don't know if that's going to happen, but we'll see. He's just got cabooshed. You did? You spoke to me today? Let's see if this NASDAQ can push down here. You have a 2-minute. Let's see the 2-minute chart. I'm going to see what the 2-minute might be a little bit better too. 2-minute. Wow. A little bit better. Nice crisper MACDs. Lauren likes a 2-minute. Jason NASDAQ long. Are you crazy? Okay, right. That's right, Tom. Yeah, right. I just spoke to you, right. All right, so got 30-minute time frames. An outside chance, and now I can get to the 29,560 tonight off these 30 minutes, or maybe 90. We get to 619? No, I don't. Tonight? Yeah, maybe later. Take a trade so I can fade. Really nice. What? Intel got cabooshed. Where's Intel, Nick? Where's Intel on AMD right now? I don't look at who below one. I don't. Okay, so it closed at where? What's the price? NASDAQ can get one more push down. Where's AMD trading, Nick? Look at this NASDAQ drop. Gold just dropped 6 on a double red. As I can get one more push down, what did it just get down to? 57. I would look to buy it if it gets, I'm thinking maybe 40. Got down to 51. I don't use Bookmap. Low connection. All right. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me 914-500-7484. Also, I have a podcast called The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. It's pretty. It's on my SK Trading YouTube, so please go there and check it out. Also, going to be looks like I'm going to. We're trying to work on this Vegas event. Hopefully that comes to fruition in July. Dummy, 51 to 60. I think there's not. You got to cancel the NASDAQ there. Gold was a nice little bear flag. 700 just dropped 7. Here. What does that mean? I got to keep an eye on you. I don't get what that means. What a bear flag. Yeah, gold was nice. I know 110 window. Well, I'm not going to do it in the desert. Bought the double red short. A nice double red short. So, Raphael, that's a great job, by the way. I'm proud of you. So I just showed Raphael. Raphael just took this trade right here. Oh, if I can get the type in the right symbol. Again, I can't type in the right symbol. And you want me to execute my own orders. What are you, crazy? Okay, here's the 5-minute time frame. The 5 reversed to sell. It correlated with the 15, the 30-minute. And here's the bear flag right here into the negative MACD. Just dropped 10, 3 bars. Any pattern like that lasts up to 8. Okay, come on. I would NASDAQ even to 40 if you get it. Oh my God, they just dropped 60 off the highs. $60 off the highs, Pac-Man. Pushed up into that negative MACD on the 5, up to 82. Raffle time. No, in 7 minutes. If you get one more, where's the 1 minute? That was a really nice pattern here on the double red short. Beautiful. Good job. Great job, matter of fact. Raphael. What'd you make on that? 300? Sell the NASDAQ between 40 and 48, 49. I would look to sell. What? What? You make on that? 600. So you made 1,100 tonight?
Yep.
Not bad. On how many accounts? Oh, just one account?
Yeah.
Oh, they're not linked?
No.
That's a great job. See, now did you see that double red? Did you see that? How the 5 reversed to sell correlated with the 15 and the 30 right here?
Mm-hmm.
Right? Okay, the thing that's saving gold on every new low is the MACDs are positive on the 60 and the 30. You see that? You see that?
Yeah.
So any new lows during the Asia session, see how it bounces right back hard?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what happens there. There goes the NASDAQ right back up. That?
I said it hit 90.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
See? Every new low, right? The one low at 12, right? Like about 30 minutes ago, it ran, boom, up 8. Here it just ran 90 to 06, right? Why? Look at the MACDs on the 30 and 60-minute time frames. They're non-confirming, right? Good job on the NASDAQ short. What a bear flag on the NASDAQ. On the 5 minute, I'll just switch it over to the 5. Really, the 3 is really a great pattern too. This is the 3. This is the 5 minute right here, with the bear flag right to 82, from 37 to 82 right here, 82. You got the gold long, okay? Just ran about 7 off the low. So what I was just showing Raphael, okay, is that if you made the new low here on gold, right here, okay, every new low, 90, see the MACDs to non-confirm the lows during the Asia session. I'm not talking here, I'm talking during the Asia session, okay? Something must have just came out. Good. I can't believe the NASDAQ's down 70 off the high. This is one of the best ones. Up 100, down 80. You probably take another long here between the 29,580 to 29,620, or something like that. You can go 75 to 15 on the NASDAQ. See what they go. See how fast they go down. Go to off the 1 minute. Yep.
Yeah.
1 minute time frame. Unbelievable. Very fast though. Oof. Him and type. NASDAQ can run here. These negative MACDs on the 1 again problems. This is the nice bear flag right here. You sell the NASDAQ 17 up to 25, 30 range. 17 to 25, 30. I know, that was a good one. And then it just rallied 10. You think a 10% correction to 57.50? More than that, 10% correction. If you're talking 10%, 7,500 times 750 points brings it down $67.50. Yeah, I would love for that to happen. NASDAQ right back up off the 1 minute. Go, baby. There you go. There. Oh, my God. Kaboom. Look at it. Look at the 1 minute. 09 to 24. Oh my God, to 27. You got to use multiple time frames. Do you see how the gold was a buy down there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, off the bigger time frames. You see it now, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm a little tired tonight. I'm not gonna lie. It was a long day, especially with that big short position I had. I was short up the yin yang, and at a 350, I held my breath, and it was 2.8 billion for sale on the bell. What happened to oil? It got killed or it rallied? If it rallied, let's short it. Kaboom! I can't even type, and you want me to put my own orders in? Yeah. Let's see here. I use the 15. Yeah, the 15-minute time frame into the overs. Yeah, oil just ran what, 30 cents? That's nothing. NASDAQ right back up. Gold right back down. All right. Good luck, everybody. It's raffle time. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, I can't believe an hour and 50 minutes. How many did we do? So how many we got? How many do we have here tonight? Wow, look at the gold rally. I don't know if Denny can hear me. Good luck, everybody. Is Denny there? $510. Okay. All right.
510.
Okay. Number 50. Number 50. Number 50. G Flint, what? G Flint, 47. G Flint, 47. G Flint, 47. G Flint, 47. NASDAQ right back up. Is G Flint here, Jennifer? He's gone. Number 100. Number 100. Number 100. Is Adam Daz. Adam Daz. Adam Daz. Is Adam here? And again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email, and I will send it to you to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Number 150. Number 150. Scalp trades 1-2. Scalp trades 1-2. Scalp trades 1-2. Gold just dropped 6. Scalp trades.
He's here.
Number 200. Number 2. Oh my God, gold just dropped 8. Tony Gold, 410. Tony Gold. I think I called Tony Gold twice this week. Well, Tony Gold. Tony Gold. Are you here? Tony Gold. Tony Gold. Tony Gold here, not here?
I don't see it.
Wait for Jennifer. Tony Gold? Not here, Tony? I'm going to give you one more second. Next! I'll do, how about this one? He's here? Oh, I'll do the next one. Number 199. Number 1 is Paulie Motto 2222. Paulie Motto 3 2s. He's here now. Oh no, I said it. Ugh. All right, I guess just give it. I don't know. Ask Denny. Give it to him. I don't know. I don't want to get involved in that. I said next. Paulie Motto. All right, that's 5. Number 250. Number 250. Number 250 is Smile Always 3333. Smile Always. Tony was here before I said, all right, I believe you, Jennifer. Okay. Okay. Smile Always 3333. Congratulate. Number 300. Number 300. Bottomless trades. Bottomless trades. Bottomless trades. Bottomless trades. Bottomless trades. Do something a little different tonight. Oh, what a short. Then bottomless. Okay, number 3. That's how many? 7. Is that 8? Number 350. Number 350. Mr. Mike 009. Mr. Mike 009. Mr. Mike 009. Mr. Mike, are you here? You got the, okay. Mr. Mike. Mr. Mike. All right, and I'll do a low number here now. Number 27. Number 27. That is Unix. Unix? What is it? Unknown 9999. 3 9s. Unknown. Oh boy. Wow, it was flew tonight. Flew tonight. Unknown 3 9s. Are you here? 500 people. All right. I want to thank my funded futures. I want to thank Jennifer. Is he here, Jennifer? Oh, NASDAQ got down to your 619. Is he here? Number 27, Jennifer. Unknown 9999. All right. Yep, congratulations. Again, if anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to 914-500-7484. Again, tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30, I'll be on the stream with My Funded Futures and on My Funded Futures TV. So be there. Also, the NASDAQ just got cabooshed 80 off the highs, 90 off the highs almost. Things you could take along here between the 78 and 08. S&Ps dropped 11 off the highs. You pushed up. MACDs couldn't confirm on the 15s. Okay. All right. I want to thank Denny. I want to thank Aaron. I want to thank Jennifer. I want to thank all of you for being here. And again, let's see. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night, everybody. As always, God bless you. Remember, be consistent. God bless you. God bless the United States. God bless our troops. Have a great night. God bless America. Be well. Fibonacci